Hey guys, this is Andre Ciapetta with your Cuban sandwich review and some friends of mine, Mr. Larry and Mr. Chris. So we are here in Riverview, Florida at the Winthrop Charter School, and we are behind the Publix as well at this food truck called the Gasparilla Restaurants, the Rollin, Rilla. Now my friend's Chris, his wife is one of the teachers here, and she recommended we come and check this place out because they do have what I love, the Cuban sandwich. He got the Cuban sandwich half with pretzel bites. He got the Cuban sandwich half, which he couldn't even wait.
Look at mine. It's already been tasted.
So of course I got the whole. All right, I got the whole. The whole. We're looking at $10 for the whole, and you know how it works. It does have the mojo pork. Woo! Wow. It does have all the proper ingredients. And the proportions are very nice. So everyone knows how this works. One bite. Everyone knows the rules. But we will probably take 2, 3. He already taken 5. So let's see. It's also a beautiful Friday here, November. What, like 70-some degrees outside here in Florida? It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Are they here every week?
I'm not sure.
It's pretty good. I come
very
back.
Good. This is very good, yeah.
I'm gonna go with on this probably 7.9. It's really good. It's got the mojo pork. You guys know anything where we're close to an 8, we're always good with that. Take that third bite. Yeah. Good, 7.9.